Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of flimsy coffee scoops that leave you guessing? Discover the Easyworkz stainless steel long hollow handle, a coffee scoop designed for precision and durability. This isn't just any scoop, it's crafted from 304 food-grade stainless steel, meaning you'll never have to worry about rust or corrosion, and it feels incredibly solid in your hand. Its polished black finish is not only aesthetically pleasing but also hints at the quality within. What truly sets this scoop apart is its unique tapered edge design, making it effortlessly glide into coffee and tea bags for a perfect, mess-free measure every single time. Imagine the satisfying, smooth feel as it scoops your favorite grounds, without any awkward snagging. This attention to detail is no accident. Easyworkz has over a decade of coffeeware manufacturing experience, and each scoop is meticulously made and inspected in their own factory, ensuring you receive a product of exceptional quality. You can feel that craftsmanship with every use, and it's backed by a 24-month quality guarantee, offering real peace of mind. We know many coffee enthusiasts have already discovered and celebrated this scoop, so you can be confident in its performance. Whether you're brewing your morning espresso or preparing a pot of tea, the Easyworkz scoop makes the process more enjoyable and precise. Forget those plastic scoops that warp or break, this metal frame offers a substantial feel and a clean, consistent pour that plastic simply can't match. It's the simple yet significant upgrade your coffee ritual deserves. Make your next cup the best it can be with this reliable and beautifully designed tool. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.